everyone, welcome back to George's Vacuum Cleaners and Skateboarding. As you can see, I've just opened my brand new Henry XL Plus vacuum cleaner. So I'll show you all the tools, and we might do a couple of videos of demonstrating it, and we might turn it on in this video. So, got your standard hose. Oh, I dropped it. Got standard hose that you always get with your Henry. We have an extra here, which is a Aerobrush 140. I've actually not turned it on yet. So you have your upholstery tool with your slide-on thing, so you can clean the stairs like that. Sorry if my video is a bit bad. I don't know, really. Up about filming. So you've got your crevice tool, your adapter that you usually get with your Henry, dusting brush, nice and soft, your two wands, and then your handle. You've got your carpet and hard floor tool. It's a bit different than the others. So you've got two wheels instead of one roller, parking bracket. Also got a big one like that, pedal instead. You've got your instructions. It's an NRV 370-11. So you've got your parking bracket on the back of your hard floor attachment, only for hard floors. So you can see you've got your brushes. And then the last thing you get is an extra as well, a flexible crevice tool. So yeah, it's better than the Dysons because the Dysons, they bend and you lose suction with it. This one doesn't. So the Henry XL Plus here. I'm going to see. So you've got your on and off button standard, no high or low. You've got your bumper. So then you can lift up your motor. So I just nearly knocked the camera. So you got your on and off switch, your indicator, then you got your thing. It's in there. NRV 370-11. It's 10 kilograms, 620 watts, and that's about it. So that's and then underneath you've got your motor, usual, standard. And then you've got your humongous filter. And then you've got your bag inside. It unfortunately didn't come with any spare bags. So it's got 15 litres instead of your 6 litres on your normal Henry. It's got, there's a couple other things that it doesn't have. So I'm going to get it ready and, well, turn it on, I guess. So first you just, of course, screw it in, if I can. I need to get it nice and straight. If I can. It's very stiff, this model. I've never had one this stiff. But then eventually it would get in place. It's very stiff. I'm going to pause the videos of it, it's that bad. Now I've finally got it in. So you've got your hose. And then probably move the Henry back so you can get it on. go. So, got your Henry XL. Handle on this. Two wands would go together like this. If they go on nice and straight. Don't know if this one go nice and fitted. Put your floor head on, carpet and floor head or any other attachment that you want to use. So there you go. Pop it onto your handle and put it in. So that's how you set it up. And then behind it, something as well I'm going to show you after I pop the handle in like that. Let's make it nice and straight. As you can see, it's like 10 times bigger. I might get one of my other Henrys to compare it. So yeah, at the back, you can put your carpet floor head on, and as well you can put your crevice tool all in there. Your thingy adapter there, your dusting brush there or there, and then somewhere is the upholstery tool. Where did I put it? I'm going to pause the video to find. Oh, there it is. You've got your upholstery tool, you put it there, and then your go like that. So you can store it like that, or you can have everything apart. And so I'm going to turn it on in a different video. I don't have time, sorry guys. But that's my pneumatic. So see you later. George's Vacuum Cleaners and Skateboarding. Ooh.